Hey Sun Devils, welcome back to our Sun Devil Sync Shorts. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to message your organization club members or officer team. So first, we're gonna go to the top left corner, and we're gonna click on this tool. We'll go down to My Organizations, and we'll find the club you're trying to message for. Let's use K-pop Generation for an example. We're gonna click on the Manage tool, and we're gonna click on Roster. From there, you'll notice a messaging tab right here. We're going to click on that. And this is where we'll create our message relays. So first we're going to title it. And then scroll down and we'll see where we can select recipients. So we can either select all or we can select specific groups. So such as general members, advisor, the officer team. But for this video, we'll be using members. So we're gonna create the message relay, and from there you'll get this link right here. You'll copy it into your clipboard, and we're gonna go to our preferred email. My preferred email is Outlook, so we're gonna use Outlook, and we're gonna paste the message relay link right there. We're gonna type out subject. And we're going to type out the message just like this. I had it typed before I started this, so yeah. After that, we'll send the message, and all your members or whoever you selected should receive a message like this from K-pop Generation to myself. And yeah, and this is how you message club orgs.